This is the K662. It's going to come with 2 microphones. It's going to have 2 microphone holders and stands, so you don't want your microphone to be rolling around off a desk or something and get hurt. So this one actually has these little microphone cradles, which can then slide onto the microphone like so, and they keep them from rolling around. It also identifies clearly which mic is which, so maybe you're only using one, maybe you don't have batteries in both of them. This is a super simple system to set up and operate, and I can tell you audio stuff is never super simple, so I was excited about this. Now, it is going to use the 500 megahertz band range. Let me open this up. This is your receiver. Now, it is going to come with 1 rechargeable lithium battery for the receiver, and it goes in just like this. We're going to fire it up, but it does require, I'll show you how to put those in. It does require 2 AA batteries. Now, you could put lithium batteries in. I just went with these batteries that I had. It does not come with batteries for the microphones, and they're not rechargeable. So either pick yourself up some nice rechargeable batteries, and then this becomes a wireless rechargeable set, or just pick some good quality AA's, and that's going to work. Is I can use this adapter and I can go down to a phono plug, and I actually have a secondary mic input that I can do. Now, it does come with a USB Type-C. You don't need to use this normally, but if you want to recharge this receiver, you can do that, or if you want to just power it by that. Now, as I turn the receiver on, I want to show you guys a couple things. So this is channel A, and they match now. You'll notice that both of them picked that first channel. It's a 2-channel system, so if I turn this one on, this will become channel B, and if I change the channel, it'll automatically follow, so you don't have to fool around really with these. And now this is going to go into standby mode here. It's just going to have that. It's not going to show you all the time, but it's working right now. And then you can tap it if you need to pause it. Now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this unit in, and we're going to hope everything works right. I'm going to plug it in right here in my microphone 2 slot, and then I'm going to turn microphone off for me, and then I'm going to switch over, so hopefully you guys can hear this. Okay, so you guys are hopefully hearing me now. So this is the first of 2 microphones that I'm going to test out. Now, it's got some features. It does have an echo reverb feature, so like a rhinestone cowboy. Okay, so maybe I'm not singing, but you can see there's different echo modes. It's going to have treble and bass adjustment along with volume. This is going to be a dynamic microphone, so it doesn't want to catch audience noise. It wants to catch the singer or the person you have talking's noise. Now, what's interesting about both of these microphones, they will, as you turn it on, pick the next available channel. You can see it picked the 550.5 channel. So hopefully when I talk to this one, you're going to hear the same thing, and maybe the volume levels are different. I can also use the volume button on here to increase the microphone volume coming in. So that's probably a little closer to what we'd actually want. So that's the increased volume coming in there. I love the USB Type-C. I love the fact that it comes with a rechargeable receiver. This is going to be able to be used for weddings. It looks like it has up to 200 feet of range, which is pretty cool. The other cool thing that you could do with this is you could actually plug it directly into your speakers. So if you got a set of Mackie speakers maybe, or you've got some sort of PA system, you can plug that receiver with that large phono mono port directly into the back of most of those PA speakers, and you can use this to control your volume. That's the beautiful thing about having a volume on the bottom of it. Fairly light, but it feels like the body is all metal, like it's definitely got some weight to it. In the body, the top has got some metal as well, so you know, a lot of times the cheaper ones don't come with this screen, but that's going to be interesting. So again, very interesting product. I can't wait to try this out in, like I said, in that fellowship hall. This is the K662, and to turn them off, you just hold down the button. That's what I'm doing here, and they say off.